Hey lads, TechScanning here. So around a week before, Samsung launches its long-awaited the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Now it looks like Samsung is preparing a pleasant big surprise with its upcoming foldable phones, especially the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. And what's more exciting, we have just received a glimpse of what possibly the new design language of the Z Fold 6. So thanks to the renders and Samsung patent filing, it seems like Samsung had enough of fat shaming, and as we can see in the patents, the handset will have a noticeably slimmer profile. Not only this, the newer design will also fix another big issue, the narrower external display that most users complain about, and the newer design showcased a much wider external display. So this means just like the other foldable phones such as OnePlus Open and Xiaomi Mix Fold 3, Samsung, despite being the leader in this market, now finally decided to go with a much useful, wider external display. And if we compare it with the previous design patent, we can see a noticeable difference in both display size and thickness. Now for the display, this seems in line with the well-known display analyst and leakster Rose Young, who claimed that both the Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 will have larger external displays. Though he didn't mention the exact size of the Z Fold 6, but for the Galaxy Z Flip 6, despite Samsung has increased the display size on the Galaxy Z Flip 5 last year, the brand once again will push the boundaries further to 3.9 inches, making the flip phone with the largest cover display. Of course, a larger cover display will allow you to do a lot more tasks without the need to unfold it. Now, this is a patent that Samsung may or may not turn into reality, but there is a high possibility the 6th gen of Samsung Fold will be thinner and wider. So let me know what you think about this design in the comment section below. Moving forward, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 is likely to get a very welcoming upgrade in its battery department. According to the Galaxy Club, which is a quite known publication, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 will feature a large 4000 mAh of battery capacity, up from 3700 mAh. A bigger battery with a more energy efficient the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, we can expect to see a solid battery backup on a flip phone. Anyway, it seems like Samsung is planning some exciting upgrades for its upcoming foldable phones, and of course, I will keep you updated as soon as there will be more details, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.